Hi, it's Mario. You know, when you are in a transaction, clarity is essential. So if you set up the rules, if you are clear about what customer might expect, should expect, or have to expect in a transaction, it's going to avoid so many problems later on. So from the little I know in the wonderful world of the car business, in the after-sales service, when a customer shows up for a service appointment, he only needs to have three things. Take me in charge, be nice with me. Second is, how much is it going to cost? And thirdly is, when the heck will I be able to be out of here and get back to my normal life? Those are the three essential. So reviewing the repair order with the customer at the greeting time is essential to make sure that we are both on the same line and to avoid problem later on. So let's have a look on how to do it. So Mr. Lubier, I just want to make sure that we're going to set expectation right about the work that need to be done on your vehicle. So you still live at 1234 No Name Street in your town, Quebec. Perfect. Best way to reach you, 514-434-9423, cell phone. Excellent. And the email address I have on file is mariolubier@gmail.com. Still good? Just conversation aside here, if there's no missing information, just mention, oh, Mr. Lubier, I see that you don't have the email address on file. Which one would you like me to add? And I add it in the DMS. Mr. Lubier, for your F-150 today, we're going to check out your rear view camera that is not working. Just want to point out that if the repair is not covered under warranty, there will be some diagnosis fee of $159. Next, we're going to do the service maintenance number 3, which costs $256 plus tax. Basically, what we're going to do is the oil change plus some verification, and at the end of those verification, I'll get back to you with the inspection report that you've already seen in your previous visit. So you told me that you want to wait your vehicle, and vehicle will be ready at 10 o'clock this morning. And by the way, I will follow up with you about the work we're going to do since you are waiting here. If everything is okay with you, could you just authorize the work on the repair order? I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to share it to a colleague or a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like it if you really liked the video. See you next time.